Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing the Toytec Ultimate 3-inch lift on the Toyota 4Runner. Alrighty, instead of the Ultimate lift with the Bilstein 5100s, these are the Icon 2.0s in the rear. You got Toytec springs, 600 pounds with the Bilstein 5100s. These are currently adjusted for the driver's side lean. We got the front diff spacer. We got the 2-inch lift in the rear. And over here we got some Freedom Off Road upper control arms. I have not unboxed yet, but man, these things are beef. Oh my god, it's heavy too. All right, so gotta thank the Facebook Marketplace gods for blessing me and also destroying my wallet. So let's go ahead and install these. So it looks like the rear from the tire to the fender is about right around 35 inches. Let's do from the hub, center of the hub, it's about 21. Just checking the ground clearance. It's about a little less than 10 inches. Let's do the front real quick. Hard to do one-handed. Let's see, from the center, it's about 18 and a half. And from the tire to the fender is about 33. Passenger is about 33 and a half. And the center of the hub is about 19. Alright, so I ended up giving up on the install on the car because the rear shocks were bolts were seized up. But here we go. We got the Toytec Ultimate Lift Kit installed in the front. So we got Bilstein 5100s with Toytec springs, 600 pounds. We got the Freedom Off Road upper control arms installed as well. 3.5 feet up. See the ground clearance vastly improved. It's about a hand lift of clearance now. This is where you'll see the biggest change. A lot more ground clearance. In the rear, instead of 5100s, we got Icon 2.0s in the rear. There's the difference between a stock RDX and a lifted 4Runner. Yeah, as you can see, climbing up, you can't just throw your butt over the seat now. You actually got to use the running boards and use the grab handle here. But overall, suspension has actually improved the comfort over bumps as well as on the highway. So I'm glad I chose this over the rough country lift kit. From the rear, it's almost about 38 25. From the hub, it's about 24. In the front, about 37. From the front, it's about 22 and a half. Ground clearance to the side steps is about almost 16 inches, 15 and a half. From the body itself, 16 and a half.